Traditional manufacturing is changing, and the digital future is now. Some of the biggest and most exciting opportunities for digital transformation exist out in the field, with the customer. Manufacturers are turning traditional business models on their heads, adding service dimensions to their product offerings. By deploying the right new technologies, they're mastering servitization, getting ahead of the market and customer demands. Servitization starts with better communication, so manufacturers can meet basic modern service demands. Innovative tools such as AI-powered chatbots and remote communications help deliver consistently satisfying customer service experiences around the clock. So, whenever a service issue strikes, they know the manufacturer is ready to help directly. But that's just the beginning of what manufacturers can achieve. The Internet of Things has now made it possible to deliver service proactively before customers even know they need it. By gathering usage and status data, discrete IoT sensors enable manufacturers to remotely monitor the things they produce as customers use them. That enables them to package and sell proactive aftermarket service powered by predictive analytics, offering customers extreme convenience and total peace of mind. Those same discrete devices can also monitor exactly how and when a product is being used, opening up opportunities to deliver products as services, and monetize those services in exciting and lucrative new ways that modern customers love. Learn more about servitization of manufacturing and discover how the right digital solutions and platforms can help you transform your operations and deliver the services modern customers demand.